Paramshanti. Welcome to this peaceful moment. In today's fast paced world, we often confuse happiness with more things, more money, more status. But the secret to supreme peace is hidden in the opposite direction, in simple living. Simple living is not about giving up everything, it's about shifting your focus from outward clutter to inner clarity. A simple life means fewer material desires, more connection with your own self, deep gratitude for every small thing. Close your eyes for a second and take a deep breath. When we free ourselves from the constant craving for more, we make space for peace to enter. When the heart is light, the mind is calm and life becomes joyful. Walk slowly, speak kindly, think gently. Let go of the unnecessary in your home, in your mind, in your heart. Choose nature over noise, simplicity over luxury, and service over selfishness. This is the path to Paramshanti, supreme peace. It's simple but not easy. But every step you take towards a simple life brings you closer to true, unshakable peace. So pause, reflect, breathe, and whisper to yourself, Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti.